The biggest lie in the manifestation world is that you have to wait for your reality to change. In quantum terms, the wait is simply a delay in your own observation. As we enter the 5-5 portal this May, the energy shifts from the ethereal to the physical. If April was about seeing the portal, May is about walking through it and closing the door behind you. Today, we aren't just manifesting, we are anchoring. On May 6th, Pluto, the planet of transformation, turns retrograde. In the quantum field, this represents a collapsing of the internal wave. It is a period where your eternal world pauses, so your internal self-concept can catch up. This is why many feel stuck in May. But for the woman of her quantum reality, this is your greatest advantage. While others are frantic, you will use this retrograde to recode the deep subconscious belief that luxury is extra. You will make it your baseline. You are moving from the striving of the 5-5 energy into the having of the Taurus New Moon. To use the 5-5 energy, we practice the anchor method. Most people set intentions and then look for proof they are working. That act of looking signals to the universe that you don't have it. Instead, on May 5th, write your reality in the past tense. Not, I will be wealthy, but I am so grateful for the stability I feel now. Then do something physical. Buy the better coffee, wear the silk scarf, touch the earth. By involving your physical senses during Taurus season, you are telling your nervous system that the quantum possibility has already become a physical fact. You are grounding the lightning. The 5-5 portal is not a magic door that opens for you. It is a door you realize has always been unlocked. This May, stop asking for permission to be the woman you envisioned in April. The frequency of wealth is not a noise. It is a silence. It is the quiet confidence that you are exactly where you are meant to be. Subscribe to continue your shift into the physical. Your reality isn't coming, it's here. You just have to decide to stay.